Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. In today's video, I'm starting an apple cider vinegar series where I'm going to be uploading over the course of the next week 8 different apple cider vinegar recipes that you can start incorporating into your weekly meal plan. What I'm kind of doing right now is I'm wanting some time to kind of reset my body. I'm going to be researching and focusing on body composition. All that means is how everything is kind of how your weight is sitting on your body. So I want some time to research that. So I'm going to be intentional to start adding in the apple cider vinegar, which is going to give me the weight loss results that I'm looking for while I'm doing the research. And it's going to create a new micro habit into my weekly meal plan that is going to set me up for success. So today we're going to be making a apple cider vinegar extra virgin olive oil recipe. This is so simple to make. I make it up in this little glass mason jar, and then I just plan out my meals for the week, and I start incorporating the healthy salads in, and this is the dressing that I'm going to use on my salads that I'm going to be eating throughout the week. Here at Healthy Days, if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that we don't overcomplicate weight loss, but we are very intentional about the ingredients that we're putting into our bodies. And that's what I love about this apple cider vinegar with the mother. It is definitely considered a superfood or a super liquid, if you will. And I highly recommend to be intentional to get it into your body as often as you can. One thing that I like to do is I'm going to do a 30-day challenge with this. So I'm going to upload these. I think I have 7 or 8 different recipes. And for 30 days, I'm going to be intentional to incorporate some form of an apple cider vinegar recipe into my daily meal plan. Again, all of this is setting me up for success. It's going to set you up for success as well. Whether you're just starting out with your weight loss journey or whether you've been at it for a while and maybe you've hit a plateau, or you're like me, I really want to focus on body composition, which once I do more of the research, I'll tell you guys about it as well. But if you've been following along with my channel, you know that it's so important to be consistent. So I want to give you all of these recipes so that you can, first of all, figure out why you want to lose weight and make the decision. Once you've made the decision that you want to lose weight, you have to be intentional and you have to prioritize your weight loss. So that's what my channel is for. I just want to help you set up a blueprint, guideline, consistency, planning your meals, meal prep. That is so important. And then we go to the ingredients that we're putting into our bodies. So we are so intentional here about every ingredient that we're putting into our body is going to fuel our body. I like to do mine Monday through Friday, 90% of the time, if you will. I am very intentional about the ingredients and I've meal prepped out my meals. Then I love to give myself the weekends off, and you can call them cheat days, but that's just where I'm a little bit more lax. I'm not as intense about what meals I'm preparing because that gives you the flexibility where you don't feel like you're trapped inside of eating in this meal plan, and that you have some of the freedom to enjoy, go to the birthday party, enjoy the birthday cake, all of that. So like I said, today we're making the apple cider vinegar salad dressing that's so easy to make. We'll make it up in this little mason jar. I'm going to show you the recipe right now, and then just follow along with my channel. Just be intentional. If you're watching my videos, I know that you are prioritizing your weight loss, and I know you are going to get the weight loss results you're looking for. I'm so excited for your weight loss journey. So let's put this together. And then for the next 30 days, check out my other apple cider vinegars recipes. There'll be a whole playlist on my channel, and just be intentional. Make that commitment to yourself that you are going to take this first step. And for the next 30 days, you're going to be intentional about having apple cider vinegar into your daily meal plan. Take it from there, take it one day at a time and one meal at a time, and we'll go at this weight loss thing together. So let's start putting it together. All right, so now that you made the commitment to yourself to start adding apple cider vinegar into your daily meal plan, at least for the next 30 days, if not for longer, here are the exact ingredients and measurements for the recipe that we're going to be making today. And remember, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be uploading 7 other recipes that incorporate apple cider vinegar that you're going to be able to add into your meal plan as well. I love to get apple cider vinegar into my body every single day, and I love having the variety of different recipes to try out because then I never get stuck, I never get bored, and my weight loss journey is satisfied. So go ahead and jot this down, pick up the ingredients, and we will get started making this together. All right, so like I said, all of these are so easy to make. We're just going to be intentional to take the time to do it. We're going to start off with our extra virgin olive oil, and we are going to do 1 cup of that. Get a mason jar. I just get my mason jars from the Dollar Tree, the dollar store. And I'll make up this jar, and then I'll be able to eat off of it for a while. Just keep it stored in the fridge. And then we're going to do our 8 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Make sure that it says with the mother. That's important. 8 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you've got that going. You can see what that's looking like so far. And then we're going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of the honey Dijon mustard. This just adds a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of the different flavor other than just the acidity of the apple cider vinegar. So 2 tablespoons of that. All right, so then we're going to go ahead and squeeze in half a lemon. Again, just like the apple cider vinegar, whenever you're able to add it into your daily routine, be sure to. Lemon is another one that I put into my body every single day. I don't even think about it anymore. It just happens naturally, but I had to create the micro habit. So I have other videos that you can check out about creating those habits and being intentional, but I am telling you this is another superfood. So go ahead and squeeze that lemon in. All right. And we are going to go ahead. That's it. It's that simple. If you wanted to, I suppose you could add in a little bit of minced garlic or some garlic if you'd like to. But I just make it up just like this. Give it a shake. And there it is. You can see that consistency. It just looks like a nice olive oil based salad dressing. And then every day you're going to be doing your meal prep. Just make the commitment. I always have a salad usually for lunchtime when I'm being very intentional about the ingredients I'm putting into my body. It's just so easy to do. There's so many different ways to make salads with intentional ingredients that are going to chemically work inside your body to get you the weight loss results you're looking for. So I have tons of videos about those as well. But just go ahead and make up your salad. And then just add in the 2 tablespoons of the dressing that you just made up. And that is a great way to be intentional to get the apple cider vinegar into your body. And I'll just put that. The leftovers, you can see you have plenty. You're going to be able to do this for a couple weeks, make up another jar, and just try to stick with it for about 30 days. That's going to create that micro habit going on for you. So mix up your salad. I'm going to go ahead and add other ingredients to that. I'm going to put in some grilled chicken. I'm going to do some bell peppers. I even add in, the nuts and the seeds, all of that. But this is just so that you can see how to make up this jar. I so hope that you are intentional to do this week and that this helps motivate you and that you're able to keep yourself accountable to be intentional about it. All right, so like I said, in this mini series, we're just going to go ahead and make up 7 or 8 different recipes that we can start incorporating the apple cider vinegar in. I'm going to be intentional to do it for the next 30 days. The reason that I say 30 days is because it's creating that habit. And then I'm not going to stop at 30 days, but I'm not going to have to be so intentional about it. It's just going to come naturally. I'm going to see and feel and remember how it felt, how my body felt when I was incorporating this in, and it'll come more naturally. And that's what I want for you too. I want all of this habit stacking and all of these micro habits and meal prep and meal planning to come naturally to you. And if you are consistent, it absolutely will. Give it a little bit of time and you're going to see the results. So I will see you in the next video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and we can go at this weight loss thing together. I am so excited for your weight loss journey. See you next time.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I so hope that you will try this recipe out. Be intentional about the ingredients you're putting into your body. You're going to get incredible weight loss results. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, we can take this weight loss thing one meal at a time, one day at a time, and we will together get the results we're looking for. Let's build this community up of like-minded individuals that want to have healthy weight loss results. I'll see you next time.